Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelechi Franklin, and in this video today I'm going to be showing you another platform where you can make a lot of money without using your bank card, and the name of this platform is known as SWAPNEX.io. So in this video I'm going to show you everything you need to know when it comes to how you can trade on SWAPNEX.io, to how you can place a trade and how you can be able to withdraw your profit and your earnings, including how you can be able to make a lot of money with this platform. So make sure you don't miss or skip any part or detail of what I'm going to be showing you on this video, because there are vital information you won't afford to miss. Before I proceed to another thing, please take 2 seconds of your time to like this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not done so, or if it's your first time, do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel in order for you not to miss any of my updates or information when it comes to crypto and other money making videos like this. So with that in mind, I want to make a shout out to Steve Gloch, Empitare, Netchute, Lucy Orch. Thank you for subscribing, and I promise dropping informative and educative content like this. If you are new to my channel, I do a random shout out to all my new subscribers, and if you want to be part of it, all you just need to do is to click on the subscribe button and go to the comment section, leave a meaningful comment, and also don't forget to turn on the notification button and give this video a like, so that I'll pick you randomly on my next video and give you a shout out. All I do on this channel is to share tips and tricks, strategies and information. If they work for me, I share it on this channel so that you can also benefit from it. So with that in mind, let's move. We all know that crypto arbitrage is where you buy a coin at a lower rate and sell in another exchanger at a higher rate. But SWAPNEX.io has made everything easier, whereby they allow you to make every transaction in one place, which has made everything very easy for one to make a lot of money when it comes to arbitrage. All you just need to do is to make sure you register using the link in the description box below, and then sign up using either your email account or using your phone number. Now when you log in after signing up, it will take you to your dashboard. This is how your dashboard will look like. It will now show you everything you need to know about SWAPNEX.io. Now if you look very well, you will see that in the first description here, you will see this is where you will see your balance. This is where you will see your balance of all your crypto fund, whether Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, Litecoin, and other crypto funds which have been made available. If you go down below, you will see the platform statistics, where you will be able to see the number of people who have registered in the last 24 hours, and you can see the statistics there. And you also see the statistics where you can be able to see how many people who are in a current trade right now, or the registered traders right now in this particular platform as I speak to you right now. And then you also see the number of volumes of traders who are currently on the trade, and you can see the return of investment and also the active orders in which are currently on and the closed order. All these are the statistics you will see when it comes to SWAPNEX.io in their dashboard. Then if you go down, you will see your recent transaction in which you have made recently and how they are running on the platform, your account statistics and everything. So in order for you to see the features of this particular platform very clearly, you have to use the desktop site in order for you to see it and see all the transaction or how they are going. All you just need to do is to use your desktop site in your phone using your browser to show in this particular way, because using your phone like that, it will not show you every details or everything you need to know about this particular platform. So all you just need to do in order for you to navigate is just for you to zoom in. It's just for you to zoom in, and then you go through in order for you to navigate and know all the things that are happening on this particular platform. So the first thing, you will see the area where they show you your dashboard. You will see where you show you trading. You also see your wallet. You give you the opportunity to see your transactions, see referrals, also give you the opportunity to see the promos, frequent asked questions, the academy, and you can as well join their Telegram channel. You can as well join their Telegram channel and know more information in case you have any question or what you want to know. You can as well join their Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, and many other social media handle in order to get more details about this particular platform before you invest. As I always say, always do your own personal research and do your finding in order before you start investing. So when you want to deposit, the first thing you need to do is to go to your wallet. Once you go to your wallet, it's just to click on the wallet icon here. When you click on the wallet, it will load up and it will open. It will give you the option to make a deposit using the different coins that are available, or different coins that are made available for you to make deposit. They have been able to make it possible for you to use Bitcoin, use Ethereum, use Litecoin, Doge, USDT, Bitcoin Cash, and USDT TRC20. All of these things are the different coins in which have been made available for you to make transaction. And it will interest you to know that whatever coin you make deposit with, it gives you, that is the coin that you use in making your trade. It's not like other platforms whereby you deposit something like Litecoin or Dogecoin and then you now swap it. No, but in SWAPNEX.io, that particular coin in which you deposit, that is the coin you will use in making your transaction. That is why all you just need to do is to know the particular coin in which you need to deposit in order for you to make good reasonable amount of money from other coins. I will be going to show you all of those things. You will see how they work. So in order for you to know the best coins, in order for you to deposit, you can go to your trade here. You can go to the trade here. Let us see how all of these things work. I'm going to show you the different transactions in which can be happening, or the different trades that are happening when it comes to SWAPNEX.io. If I zoom it very closely, you will see the different icons that are showing. I will walk it through. You will see that it gives you the opportunity to select the exchange in which you want to make a transaction for. And as you can see here, you will see that the current rate at which Bitcoin is 39,059,000. Which is the current rate or current price of Bitcoin with Binance. While if you look at it on Coinbase Pro, it is 38 million and all of that. So all you just need to do is to select the exchange in which you want to do the transaction with. That is why you need to do your calculation well before you take in any trade. And there are two types of trade when it comes to SWAPNEX.io. Either you use the manual or the automatic mode. The auto mode is where you are able to do everything by yourself. You select the exchanger in which you want to do the transaction with and all of that. As I was saying earlier, all you just need to select the exchanger who has the coin at a lower price. Let me say you select Coinbase Pro to buy a particular coin or to buy Bitcoin at a lower price. Then you can decide to sell it using Binance, because Binance has a higher rate as it is. So all you just need to do is to come to your balance area where you have to input the amount. You see your selected network, which is Bitcoin, and if you go up here, you will see that the other book is where you can select the particular transaction you want to make. And if you look very closely, you see that this first one shows that it is Bitcoin that you are transacting with. But if you want to use USDT to do your transaction, you will have to click the next one, which is the second one. Once you click on it, it will load up and it will take you or show you that we are using USDT to make the transactions. Either you use your USDT20, ERC20 or TRC20, whatever one which you have your money is, you can use it to make the transaction manually. Then the same thing applies when you want to make transaction using Ethereum. You select the Ethereum aspect. If you want to use Litecoin, Doge, and all of that, all you just need to do is just to click on that particular aspect or particular place. I'll zoom it. Then let me say that I want to use it. I will just click on the third one, which is Ethereum, and then it will show me that I'm using Ethereum to do this particular trade. As you can see here, it's showing that I'm using Ethereum to do this particular transaction. So the next thing I have to do when I have done that is for me to select the buyer and the seller, in which we have done here, if I'm doing the manual aspect and all of that. So the manual aspect gives you the option to do everything all by yourself. And as you can see, you select the exchanger and all the rating and all of that and your transaction. And once you are ready for the transaction, you just click on create the order and your transaction will start working. That is how the manual aspect works. Why, if you click on the automatic, it doesn't give you straight. The only thing that the automatic requires you to do is to deposit your fund, then you can withdraw your fund. Then when you deposit, you just come and select what you want to do, whether you want to allow you select the number of days in which you want your transaction to run. If you want your transaction to run for 30 days, or you want it to run for 40 days, or if you want it to run for 60 days or 90 days, all of these transaction method has different days in which they run. This number of transaction also applies to the manual method. The transaction in the 30 days simply shows that in each day it will only pick one trade. Once your transaction or your trade start running, each day one trade will be running. Why? When it comes to your 45 days, you only have 2 open orders in which your trade will be running. Why in the 60 days aspect, your trade will always run only for 3 days, and in the 90 days it will run for just 4 orders. So these are the different orders in which you will see when it comes to you trading on the SWAPNEX.io. That is to say that whenever you deposit your fund and you want to trade, once you start your trade, or let me say you choose the 30 duration in which one order will be open every day, your fund, you cannot have access to your fund till the 30 days has elapsed. So all you just need to do is to pick and do your analysis, and you do your research, and then once you are done or you are okay with it, you can decide to make your deposit and start trading with this particular platform. This is what you have to do on your own. Nobody will force you to do it on your own, and then you start. Then you can also decide to upgrade to the higher plan. This is where you can be able to decide to upgrade. All you just need to do is to click on this upgrade plan, where it gives you the opportunity to leave the free version, in which everybody's using the free version of this particular platform. You can decide to leave the free version and then use the starter, which gives you the opportunity to make a deposit of 200 USDT. And when you use this particular option, it gives you the option to use an open trade of two open trade each day, while the personal one gives you the option for you to use an open order for per day, 3 order, and you make a deposit of 500 USD. And the same thing applies to the professional, where you will make a deposit of 1,500 USD, and you have an open order of 4. So all of these things are what happens when you use the open order and all of that. So this is how the trading aspect is. All you just need to do is to know how you can navigate towards all of them, and then you get started. So how do you deposit? All you just need to do is to zoom again. You go to the upper area, go to wallet again. Once you click on wallet, after you have known all of this, you go to wallet. Then you decide which coin or which transaction, or which coin you want to use for the transaction, either BTC, ETH, Litecoin, Doge, USDT, ERC20, Bitcoin Cash, and USDT TRC20. For me, from what I have seen so far, the best coin for you to use for this transaction is always Bitcoin or Litecoin. So whichever one you want to use, this will give you a reasonable amount of profit in whatever trade you do. So all you just need to do is just for you to zoom it, go to this right hand side. You will see add balance, and you will see withdrawal. So once you just want to deposit, you click on add balance. If it's Bitcoin, it will appear like this. It will tell you that the minimum amount of Bitcoin you can deposit is 0.001 Bitcoin. And once you are okay with that, or the amount of Bitcoin you want to deposit, you just click on top up. Once you click on top up, it will load up, and it will show you the Bitcoin address or your Bitcoin wallet address in which you need to deposit, which is this particular one. And then you see the amount, and then you copy your Bitcoin wallet and go to your exchange, whether Binance, Coinbase, and any other exchange or platform which you can deposit from. And once you have deposited, it will appear. All you just need to do is to click OK after you have done your transaction. And they say here, to successfully top up your balance, you need to send the specific exact amount that is specified in the address. So if you put 0.01, that means you need to deposit that particular amount of Bitcoin. The same thing applies when you want to deposit other crypto assets to this particular platform. Another thing you can be able to do when you want to earn from this particular platform because after you must have deposit, you just go to your trade, do your transaction, where you can be able to choose the manual or the automatic, and then you place your trade and get started. Remember, you place your trade either the manual or the automatic. The best is the automatic, which gives you the opportunity to place your trade and then relax every day to place the trade for you, because sometimes you might forget and all of that. Then once you have done that, at the end of your 30 days, you can come and do your withdrawal. Then you can also earn from this particular platform by the referral program. Yes, the referral program. All you just need to navigate. You see the referral aspect, where it gives you the option for you to copy your referral link and then share to your friends and family. This is the referral code. All you just need to do is to go and copy it, and then you share to your friends and family, and then whatever transaction they make, you receive a commission from each particular transaction and all of that. Another thing you can do, if you're a blogger, you can decide to go to this promotional aspect. You see the promo aspect, where it gives you the opportunity to share, copy this particular stuff, and then you go to your blog, paste it there, allow people to see it and view it. Once anyone is interested, the person can click on the link or see the advert that you are showing, and then when they register, you receive a particular amount of commission in whatever thing they do. This is what you can do for yourself and all of that. Then when you want to withdraw, when it comes to the withdrawal, all you just need to do after your 30 days run, all you just need to do is to click on the wallet aspect, and then your withdrawal aspect or option is to open, depending on the fund or what you want to withdraw. Either when you deposit BTC, ETH or whatever, all you just need to do is to click on withdrawal. If it's ETH that you want to withdraw, Bitcoin, you click on withdrawal. Once you click on the withdrawal option, it will open like this with this command telling you that for you to withdraw successfully, you need to connect your two-factor authentication. Yes, that is to say that you need to install it on your phone in order for you to be able to withdraw. You can go to Google Play Store and then install it and then set it. All you just need to do is to click on this particular setting icon here. You click on this setting icon here, it will show you how you can do. You copy your address. Okay, let me just click on it and then show you guys. All you just need to do, it will appear like this, and it will appear like this. You will see the two-factor authentication, where you gives you the opportunity to set it up, install. After you install it, you now put this particular code, which is your referral code and all of that. I already have it on my phone. So all you just need to do is to set it up, then put the one-time code, and then you confirm it, and then your transaction can start. And then it will appear like this. Put in my wallet address, then put in the amount in this second column, and then I'll click on withdraw. So all you just need to do is to know how to use all of these things. You click on the withdraw, it gives you the opportunity to put in your address, your Bitcoin address, your main Bitcoin address, not BSC, not Ethereum and all of those things, just your main Bitcoin wallet address, and then you make your deposit, and you will see that you will see the commission in which you will receive, you will see the charges and all of those things. And once you have done it, your fund will go to your exchange and you will get your fund. So that is it. Once you click on the withdrawal, it will appear on your wallet after you have done every process that I've shown you. So this process I just showed you all is the process involved when it comes to you using SWAPNEX.io. So make sure you like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to use the link in the description box in order for you to sign up and get started. If this video was helpful, give this video a thumbs up, and do well to share it to your friends and family, and share your link to if it's possible, and then share this video alongside with it so that they can get clearer and detailed understanding when it comes to how to use SWAPNEX.io and all that. This will be all for this particular video. See you on my next video. Peace.